1.
This is your review for your formative exam number 3. I'm starting at number 1, and I'll go through all of them, how to solve them. You'll have to work out the answers on your calculator to figure it out. Number 1, we're going to begin with what we're given in the problem, 1.5 times 10 to the 23rd molecules of nitrogen gas, which is an N2. That's one of our diatomic elements. We're multiplying that by 1 mole. We're trying to get to moles of N2. Moles is going to be on top. We know that there are 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules of N2 in 1 mole. And that's going to give us our, these guys cancel, our moles of N2. And you're going to take this answer and see which one it matches, because moles are moles. It doesn't matter what the element is. A mole is a mole. Number 2. Take what you're given, 1.0 moles of CO2 times our conversion factor, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules of CO2 in 1 mole of CO2. We're going from moles, we're trying to get to molecules, that's on top. That's going to give us a number of molecules, CO2. Keep going though. Now you're going to take that number that you just calculated, because the question is asking you to find the number of atoms. We know we have a C and 2 oxygens, that's 3 atoms in 1 molecule of CO2, and there is your answer. Number 3. Take what you're given, 34.0 grams of ammonia, NH3. Look at your periodic table to calculate your molecular mass of NH3. 1 mole of NH3 should come out to 17.03 grams of NH3. Grams cancels, and you end up with moles of NH3. But don't stop there. Take that number your moles of NH3, multiply that by 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules of NH3 in 1 mole. Those guys cancel. And you're left with your answer in molecules of NH3. Number 4. Take what you're given, 3.0 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of neon. Convert that to moles of neon by taking 1 mole neon, and we know that that is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of neon. Those cancel. That gets us to moles of neon. And keep going until you've answered the question. We now want to go from moles of neon to grams of neon, which we know from the periodic table is 20.18 grams of neon in 1 mole of neon. And there's your answer in grams of neon.